Have you ever wondered why 1% of the world keeps getting richer while everyone else is struggling to pay bills? The secret isn't working harder, it's making your money work for you. Welcome to 2026. The old rules of finance are dead. In an era dominated by AI and digital transformation, relying on a single 9-to-5 paycheck is the biggest risk you can take. But what if you could build systems that generate cash while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family? Today, I am breaking down the 5 proven passive income strategies to build a wealth empire in 2026. Stick around until the end, because idea number 5 is a complete game changer that most people are totally ignoring. Welcome to Yieldverse. Our mission is to provide you with the blueprint for financial independence. If you're serious about mastering your money and building passive streams of income, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive in. The first strategy is a classic for a reason. Dividend growth investing. When you buy shares in profitable companies, they pay you a portion of their earnings just for owning the stock. In 2026, the focus has shifted toward AI infrastructure and green energy sectors, which are offering incredible payouts. This is the ultimate snowball effect. You reinvest your dividends to buy more shares, which in turn pay you more dividends. Over time, your portfolio becomes a self-sustaining cash machine. It's the safest way to build long-term wealth without lifting a finger. Idea number 2 is fractional real estate. Gone are the days when you needed $1 million to invest in property. In 2026, blockchain and fintech platforms allow you to buy fractions of high-end commercial and residential buildings for as little as $100. You earn a proportional share of the monthly rent and benefit from the property's appreciation over time. You don't have to deal with tenants, repairs, or massive bank loans. You are a digital landlord, collecting rent from properties across the country from the comfort of your home. Third on our list is the most modern approach, AI-driven digital assets. We are living in a gold rush for digital content. By leveraging AI tools, you can create niche blogs, specialized ebooks, or digital design templates once, and sell them thousands of times on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. The beauty of 2026 is automation. AI can now handle the research, drafting, and even the marketing of these products. You build the asset once, and it generates royalties for years. It's the ultimate set it and forget it business model. Next up is automated e-commerce, specifically print-on-demand and automated dropshipping. With global logistics reaching peak efficiency in 2026, you no longer need to see or touch a product to sell it. You create an online storefront, upload your designs, and when a customer buys, a third-party manufacturer prints and ships it directly to them. Your only job is to set up the system. Once the traffic starts flowing, the store runs 24/7, making sales while you're out living your life. Finally, my favorite, YouTube automation. You're watching it right now. You don't need to be a celebrity or even show your face to earn a fortune on YouTube. By using professional scriptwriters, AI voiceovers, and stock footage, you can run multiple faceless channels that generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. A successful channel is like a piece of digital prime real estate that keeps paying you as long as the internet exists. It's the most scalable passive income stream in the world today. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about working hard now so you don't have to work forever. 2026 is full of opportunities for those brave enough to take them. Which of these 5 ideas are you going to start today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Yieldverse to join our community of future millionaires. Your financial freedom starts with one single step. Take it today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.